Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists, aproko, anything we don't concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see, say this channel with the column aproko saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel news and gist what they do for there. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. You don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
You know, say all these our people, the way they so they behave, you not just good at talk. So if you not tell them, say what that they do, say not good. You be like say you decide them.
Oh my God.
You be like say you decide them. And they will continue to do the things where they do what we say not good. So I just can't report the matter. So anybody where you call line, they will play the video, make they know what thing they happen. So now so it. So now I say make I can't tell people this matter will happen. And the reason why I just get interest for this matter. You know, so if na Bini person I do this thing now. Asian people will say they not be like Bini, oh, they not be like Bini. They hear. So now the thing when I just want to talk, I make me come out. They'll say they not be like say they be better pass Bini. And they always they repeat them. The worst Bini person, not be the best Asian person. Dora make you hear. I will continue to say it because now the right thing and the thing will happen. Waiting happen. You make one video where you do mouth like AD that time. Say now the name when people give Asian people. Now that thing I did. So now what thing Asian people they do? Some Asian people not be all. The wicked something where they do, whether they how they wicked. That is why. Many people give them that name. Say if you see snake, you see Asian person, you will kill the snake first before you kill the. You will kill the Asian person first before you kill the snake. Now what did they do that time during our forefather time? I made them talk like that. How wicked you can't mind when some Asian people not be still get some Asian when it's still good. So now the kind wickedness, the kind wicked hearts where they get heartless people where they get that time. And I still get it today. Now listen to this one I want to talk. Now I made them give them that name. Again, where Benin people they take them, they talk say now the wickedness where now if you see Asian, you see snake, make you kill Asian person first before you kill the snake. Now I made Benin people they take and they do parable, and that parable they take for granted since they never born my mama self where they don't talk against Asian people. So some Asian people they are very heartless, wicked. They're not good at all. They're not just good. So now me come out now when I hear this story. Now I come out now say me I can't tell my people. Because you still get another video when I will do later in detail. Make I just first of all come on this one for granted. This man name nah. The right wait a bovis e dey for Palma de Mallorca. Na Isha man o na a bovis na they say that they call am. E dey Palma de Mallorca. Very heartless man. He get one of our person the lady self na see Isha o. Oria gboria now o. Oria dey gboria now. They say Oria don dey gboria now. So since 2012, now this lady don't rent house. This Bovi buy the house. Not the way they tell they buy house for Europe now. If you work, you go use your document. Not be say you can't. They cash money. Say you go buy house, so you cash money to buy the house. Now document you go use the document when you say they work. and your document take go buy the house. Now bank now they pay for the house. Then he go come they pay the bank little by little every month, just like that. So both you buy this house, you not even feel pay. So this lady rent the house since 2012 for in hand. As he rent the house, he get one thing when he with the woman do where say he won't sell the house for the woman. He put the woman name for concerning the house. So this woman now can't get, this lady now can't get belle. As he get belle, I not feed the work again. So she stay for house. So, and this woman now, he need money when he go take care of himself to keep the body, soul and body together. So this woman comot now, can't go social or make government dey help her. Because of say this girl, this lady name dey for that house. The way they take put and say the girl, say the lady.
Okay.
So they stay with family, for something like family. You are living with some people. Maybe those people are helping. The government can't say this woman they under some people care where they help her, so they not feel render this woman help. Whereas this woman they pay every month to this bovie. Government not fit give this woman help, no benefit. She not fit receive any benefit. So this woman can't they manage so that he go they pay this bovies. So e come reach about 4 months before this woman deliver. Now this month now the woman deliver. So about 4 months ago now this woman no fit pay again. She can't stop. He tell this bovis make he go rectify the problem so that he go fit the receive a benefit, make he fit still dey pay. Bovis not do anything. Bovis the whole government almost 38,000 apart from the money of the house, so 38,000 for something like with hacienda or something like that. Government 38,000 euro where enough fit pay. So because of that one, they hold this woman. They not fit pay. They not fit give this woman any benefit at all. So this woman did there. She dey grant her teeth say they pay for the past 4 months. She not fit come pay bovis. So now bovis come here now. This woman now she can't dey stress. Wey be say her BP can't rise.
Okay.
When she just go check up for hospital, they can't detain this woman. Say the BP too rise, it's too high, it's too high.
Okay.
So they can't detain this woman for hospital. Say they not go allow this woman to go back home. She go stay for there. Then she can't dey for bed rest until she can't deliver. So because they say they want to save her life and the baby's life, because as her blood pressure high, when she get her baby rise, so they not go gree make it go house. If it go house, it's very delicate. Her health dey risk. So they can't detain. You know, so if they do their thing, they have to detain the woman for hospital there. She can't dey there. She can't take. They can't until she be deliver. So during the time when she dey hospital, this heartless man go the house. He get the brother when he dey for the house. He can't deceive them. Say make they come down. Say he won't talk to them. Those people come not knowing say Bobby don't put somebody for up. When he won't go lock the house. Bobby can't go lock the house. He lock the house. Then those people when he don't talk to them, as they won't go back, when they can't go back, now make they open the country say Bobby don't lock it, don't put alarm for the door. They not feel open now. They call us and say, well, I say that is the only way you go fit stay deceive them, make them come down. So when you go fit take lock them, all their property they inside. So those people they go tell the message can't reach the woman for hospital. This woman dey for hospital until when she come be deliver. Then they beg Bobby, I beg open door for them. When this woman deliver, you know, because when she dey go now, only check up she go do for hospital. He not carry baby things go, not carry nothing. So this woman have to send message to Bobby say, I beg go, he don't born no. Make you open door for them, make they carry her baby things, come give her for hospital. Bobby say no, he not go fit open the door. This woman stay for hospital. Now nurse and people come give her small thing for hospital when the pikin wear. So when they discharge the woman for hospital, they follow and come. People when follow and come, So our meeting member wey follow the woman wey go discharge her, dey follow am call house, come call Bobby say abeg, Bobby say abeg o, come open door make e carry pikin enter. See inside this cold, Bobby refuse. He refuse o, say no go open door. This woman stay for cold with the newborn baby wey never reach 1 week. E be like say na 3 days. He stay for cold. Bobby say lie no dey open door o. He no go open door. Now see, person wey value money pass human being, even if e not because of anything, say because of that baby, say na because of this pikin o. Make you get where you go put this pikin. Just open door for am. No be say you dey pay government again for the house. You just open and say abeg o, make you find solution how you take start to dey pay the money o. And you know the condition when be say she no go fit pay the money because of you. Then I dem detain her, so now they refuse her, they no dey give her money. You no even think anything. Bobby no, he refuse o. So this woman have to go to police station with him baby, 3 days old baby. Go police station, go report to police. Police can't even call and say Bobby can't open door because nobody have right to lock person outside. Police call Bobby say make you open, and Bobby say Bobby can't tell police lie, say na him dey live for the house. Say na him house, na him dey live for there. So police they have to come. They come, they ask the vecino say who they live for this house. Then they come point the lady, say now this lady they live for this house. This man not they live for this house. Police now they come handcuff this man. So you are so heartless. Then they handcuff and they carry and come out. Now the case they for police, and the case go court now. So as Bobby come there now, now when Bobby come to say the case now won't enter, it don't enter in head now. He come dey beg this lady say make he leave the matter. I go tell leave matter like that. My people, I go tell leave matter. Person when newly born, because of you, now they refuse that woman. They know they give her benefit. Because of you hold credit. The money when you hold government, you not fit pay. Because of you, and this woman they pay since 2012. They pay you money. Calculate money when this woman don't pay you for that house. 4 months when you not fit pay, you know the reason why you not fit pay. And it can't still born, you not fit talk say because of this pikin make you open door for her. This is shaman no open door. You lock this woman with newborn baby, 3 days old. You lock them outside. Now they see how wicked some people did for this life. How wicked some Asian people, they are very wicked. Dora make you hear now. Yeah. When you do your mouth like a did that, they shout like bush dog. Say what Asian people do. You don't see what Asian people do now. Come hear what Asian people do now. Come see what Asian man do. Benin man no go fit do this heartless when you see newborn baby. He hear say this woman don't born. Congratulations my sister. I don't vex before. I don't love this door, but because of this new baby, make you foresee carry and enter house. You go come open her. This man refuse, not agree open her. They see your people now, Dora, as una wicked, as una get mind. Now so you self get mind. That is why they feel to open that your mouth will be like a D. That your teeth will be like a D. So that is why they open until they curse our royal father. That your mouth will be like a D. You know they see him. You know they use mirror, make you take mirror, take look yourself. When you curse another person. And they ask you, although me and you not get waiting with the track. The only thing when I want to tell you, I see that maybe you never watch that video, make you go watch. I know say this one now they will pass and reach for where you did. So make you go High Court of Justice. If you really know say that land, that Benin land, say now you get time, make you lead your people go High Court of Justice for Abuja. When I go lay the complaint, then I go serve our royal father paper. So ya come this land now, Asian people get down and be the original owner of original owner of this land. Our royal father go. If you go there, the proof one I get when I take get Benin land, when I go show. The one when my royal father still get, he go still show. So the one when court can't decide, say na he get Benin that time. Dora, now you are the talk to you with your people. Una go show am. So anybody when be say come win the case that time, Dora, now they will come give the land to. You understand? Because see, where they go school, I don't hear any history of say the history of Asian people. You know they not teach us for school. Where una dey when una history not to come outside. There is no history concerning Asian people now. Benin Kingdom, we study for school. Even Benin Kingdom, they for syllabus. When we say you want to pass out for school, they put Benin Kingdom for syllabus. This syllabus, they never hear anything about Asian people before. They not get where they not get history where they say they study for school. Say they for syllabus. I not see throughout my school. The Asian people dey when the time when our Oba Ozwola they fight Oba Ogwola fight war where they fight go reach Dahomey. Where Asian people dey? They ask you, Dora, you and your people when we say they make without your teeth when be like I can't di. You not dey. When our Oba wife fought war from Benin land yet as far as Ghana Dahomey, when he conquer reach where Asian people dey when Johnny Yesigi fight war reach all war own those states when we say he win woman where Asian people dey their name una put for there una say una don't now una be the real owner. This will be Benin people when we say they fight war, they do everything, they drag Benin, they make me so there is peace, there's good thing in Benin land. Where una dey when all those when that Johnny Yesigi fight the war that time. I dey ask. You know, you when sit down for there now, they make that's your teeth when be down. I can't deny. When you take out the shot, back waga. Why you not ask your forefathers say, where una dey when these people, because we hear the story where how these people take fight war for this land, how them take go so place. When woman even lead war. Go or war as far as he fought or war. He fought Ondo people, Yoruba people. He defeat them. Woman, Edo woman, we are very strong. When he fight, where you dey, Dora? Where Asian people did that time? Dora is supposed to ask your people. Not me, you go ask that question. You're supposed to ask your people that question. You understand? Particularly because of it, that is why I bring this man come outside. Because you say Asian people too good. You don't see how heartless this man is. You not see her. Now Benin people, now help this woman. Up to today as I dey talk to you now Benin people. Now she is my member for my club member. Benin people now stand with her. They not talk say now only she be the only Asian person when they among us. They not talk say because now only she be the Asian person when they for my club. Say make them do her like this. No, we take her as our own sister, our own blood. Now then they help her. Some they go sleep with the woman for house, follow and bath pikin, cook, do everything for her. Benin person oh, not be Asian oh. Thank you, my love. Benin person not be Asian oh, not be Asian person oh. But you sit down there, they make the Benin people are very wicked. See, Benin with Isha, now who come wicked past now? That is why I bring this one now. Benin and Isha, may you call now, Pama di Mayoka, this thing for happen. Call, make you ask how this one today happen, whether I lie I talk. Make you call, make you ask whether I lie this story when I bring comments, whether I lie or I just want to take and disgrace Isha people. Not be all Isha bad, some of them bad like you. They not get respect. They not get human feeling. You understand? Come out, they talk daddy. Benin when they don't land when they say Benin people don't they fight war, they drag, they do everything right from origin. I don't hear one place where they say na Asian people na fight for this place. So if not be Asian, this place not go exist. So if not be Asian, this one you can't sit down for where you did here. Come they shout. You lay Benin. The God where they serve, the foreign God where they come. Who tell you say they carry any foreign gods come Benin? Who tell you? The Bible, the church one they go, the Bible one they read. Now na get am. Yeah. Now na get Bible. Is it not foreign religion?
Nice.
Is Christianity not a foreign religion? Now I get Bible. Now say Benin they serve a foreign religion. Bible, Jesus Christ, your papa na Jesus Christ. Are you a family of Jesus Christ? Oh, now they talk now, they talk now, not the reason, now they think so. See this thing when they don't want to talk so. Make you think what you do, whether it better pass that person. Then you think. The land where people don't they fight, stay. Now you won't come out now.
Okay.
When we say your IQ not they regulate well, because they talk say that land not be Benin, or say they be foreigner. Okay, we be foreigner, make una go court to me not get anything to drag with you. If una go court today now bring una make appeal, go serve our royal father, say see oh, now we get the land, we go follow una go now. Go follow una go. Now they go who win, they go carry Billy land give am. If now win na Kendi people win, they will give una. If now we Benin or say now we win, they will give us our land. So no need to we will come dey drag for here. Me don't they talk this thing since you never hear. I don't they talk and since make una go. It's better you go, no na go. If una not go, all these wicked heartless people where they for Esan, so we go filter them out some Sambisa forest, and we'll go through where una put. So the good one, we go drain the Esan blood come out, we colonize them, do them, they'll come be get good heart like we Benin people. You understand what I talk, Dora? You think say when you talk that day, na say Gname, I'll come the fear. Come the fear Gname. Who me? I'll come fear you, say fear you for waiting. Fear princess where be side chick to Igbo man, I will come the fear. You know say you be side chick. Igbo man side chick, I will come the fear. A princess where be side chick. Is that not a disgrace? And God forbid. You be side chick to Igbo man now. You know say Igbo man dey for Musia, you dey for Repeater. Igbo man get wife for Musia before that woman can't get problem, he can't dey for prison. So now you dey for Repeater. If you be really in wife, you for dey for where you dey for Musia. You are a side chick, princess of a side chick to Igbo man. Cause they get mad, cause they be no see na so your mouth be. Akenti. I beg go Abuja, wanna go make appeal for there. We ready to follow una. The way una take get Benin land, una go prove una self for that side. Una prove una self for that side, I go here. So if some people where they do wicked things, make una call this na brother where they for Pama di Mayoka, make it take time. Attention. Na tell am say make it take time well. The thing where they do not good. So now make me carry this video come out. Now make me carry a matter come for live video. Say these kind of people, these heartless people where they for some issue good do. I know if it also one person do something, me I say now all of them bad. Some issue good. So yeah, no one don't do me good before. I don't know. So but I know say out of 12 there must be Judah. There must be good ones among them. Not be all of them with just bad. So that Bovis, make you take your time. Make una call am. Now Bovis na be in name. Make una call am, make una ask am. If you go fit talk truth, you know say some people they talk lie. If you go fit talk the truth, make it come, make una ask am. The reason why I go lock a 3 days old baby for inside coal, make it talk am. Person wey don dey pay you since 2000 and almost 9 years wey don take rent that house for your hand, they pay you since just because of 4 months. Say what shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and to lose his soul? All the money when they this world, if you Bobby you only you won't get am. What shall it profit you? Small pikin, you see even see a small pikin, they carry and they beg you, say you refuse. Say no. Yeah, you say make he carry pikin go and all the clothes, everything, the mama, everything we go use, e dey inside that house. So make he just go. I don't know how some people they do something. Make he just go. Make he just go outside with the pikin just like that. Yeah. I don't know the one of the behavior. Some Asian people wicked. Hey, son, let they go do you something. Isha. As they talk, that thing they vex Dora where he say me talk say the worst Benin person I be the best Asian person. That's why I talk. I know they deny that word, that they continue to talk because when I hear this thing, the thing pain me, it touchlights my heart. I say, hell, so some people just dey like this. If na me, I no fit do am o. Be no binima go, if no binima go do am, you go draw the money o. But you go say because of this pikin, you fit just enter, make you find how. If that binima go find solution, how this girl go fit still dey take get im own money wey go fit still dey give you the chop. Dey pay the house rent as e dey pay. You go do am. Well, no problem sha, make we dey see how the something go take go. Make we dey see how the something go take play obovi. If wickedness good o, heartless good o, to e good o, na this one na we go take know whether e really good or e no good. This thing wey happen so now we go take know. You see am, bovi, wetin you do no good. As you really dey talk am, Asian people, some of them they no good, some good, some bad. Many 90% of them are bad. They are very heartless. Lock 3 days old baby. Lock am for outside for this cold with mama wey just dey come from hospital, no house when go enter. All the clothes, everything dey inside. You no even say, na wow. If you say okay, as e be say na orio, if you come see this your orio, you no even get house at all, you see am for outside, you no fit carry am enter house. They no dey say person wey you no know at all, you see am for bus stop, you carry am enter house. Say my brother, as I just see you, go help am. You no go fit do that kind thing for person. No dey talk of person wey don dey give you money for the past 9 years. Dora, you say your people good o, na make me carry this video come out o. Make you see how wicked you with your people be. Some of your people, some you dey among the wicked ones because you decide them. Me, I no fit side. If na my brother do this thing, I will not. So I will see carry and come outside. Say, my brother, wetin you do not good o. You are very heartless. I go curse am. You understand? This one above me never curse you. I just dey tell you. Because anything when you do person, God, the God of the universe must pay you back. You go receive am. If na good thing, now you do this igamomo so. And that good thing God go give you. But if na bad thing, now you do am, that bad thing God go say do you and to do. You understand though? So now I say make I just come use this statutory time to give the story. May I let you know wetin dey go on for Pamadi Mayoka. How heartless some Asian people dey o. Say me I can't tell you now. Because Dora say the Asian na perfect people. So now see me I can't carry this one, can't come out. The Asian lady now, na Benin people come dey help am now. Dora make you hear o. So if you go find out whether na try dey talk, call Pama the Majoka, make you call them, make them they go tell you the story. You understand? So I thank my club members very well. May God continue to bless you. That unity that is among us, that one love that is in our heart among us, God will continue to let that love flow abundantly in our heart. So we will continue to love one another. We dey fit still do am for people for outside. Ibi otu mena o wa magbe onyemeseme o Ijesu ra me o wa sebe gbima o saloba we sebe gbima ya wa him we no wa ya help ijo mo na ekedori ade ya use English. I just dey hear how una just dey help this our sister since. I just dey happy. If supposing I no program my this thing well, this holiday when it won't happen, so I for just come Pama the Mayoka, make myself come see Jenuna, make we support but together with this our ijomomo. You understand? Anything when see dey my hand, I say take. You understand? So now so Osaloba here continue to help him here o help him protect him man. One love, mother's love, one love we stand. We are going to stand with one love forever and ever. Nothing will shake us because of that one heart, that clean heart when we get to help one another. do here no mu dan setting la ma wepo o ma dan setting zage ma wa because emi no ma e ma o emi no ma e ma o my way mi dan mi ni my way mi dan ma me nu se no be me jobo kere no be gu ma be ya wi jobo ne and so it be my okpon la jan we wa lare o wa do ri go no so person because ọmọ náà kó wà even mà kí o ẹ kó ra avon wa o ra zuzu ọmọ náà kó wà even ẹ kó wí ma wá fún ma ya fẹfẹfẹ you understand no mi me gwe bo ma be we jo bo ko lo bo abeya we jo bo ni that is why we are one. That is why we are one. Osalobo adebawa o when we ya fe ya contribute when we ya help your money kedere ado Osalobo adebawa. We no do wa bo ren wa ma setting un gbugbo Osalobo hian we nu wa o. Osalobo hian we nu wa ni ka no te do ni hian we nu wa. Area no ria bagwa setting la wa we ku ye. Okbia no ku no we ni endo siligi to join no hian sun wo de digestive wa re ke no hian te se ke ni ma jo de digestive or divide we wa re ke no hin Osalobo usawese ka bo pon mu gwa o emi no mai fo gbugbu wa o you people will not lack anything at all bonu wa ya wi jo boni orion wa ya wi jo boni you will never lack anything, you will never lack any good things of life. Osalobo, you will continue to flourish. Blessing, everything, money, everything will continue to flourish in your life. Nuwaya wi jo boni jo momona na so it be. You don't know. So, na want to shan lad make una go High Court of Justice so and bring paper or Dora na go dey talk to join your followers when they talk am. Una serve our royal father paper, you go follow una go. And tell your people make them change their character, make them they behave well. Make them not dey heartless so. Because all those kind thing, person when I never see person when wicked reach this bovie. I never see him. So they say be your brother's keeper, your sister keeper. You cannot help somebody. If supposing this Asian lady now not even get house to stay, you see her for outside. You know if you carry her enter house, make you help am. Now see how Asian people they wicked do. Some Asian people. Dora they talk and say that they say na Benin people give Asian people bad name. Not be we na una character. Action speak louder than voice. Before they can't give una that name, before the Benin people can't take and they see me, I was not even born. Even my mother was not even born that time. But before they can't give una that name, say if you see Asian person, you see snake, kill Asian first before you kill that snake. You know say now the wicked thing when Asian people do that time, I mean Benin people talking. Okay, see what this man do now. Somebody when he lock 3 days old baby for outside for this school, is that one? Therefore, not even better person. Devil go fit even fit do that kind thing. I dey ask. Devil fit do that kind thing when this man do so for Pama di Mayoka. No matter what the woman do, as e be say see that pikin so, when you even hear, if you not see am for face, you even hear say that he don't come, he dey for outside, they beg you. You because of that pikin, so yeah, now because of this pikin, oh, you open door for am. Or if you not even know the woman, you know if you carry am go your house, make you go take care of her, find where comfortable place for am. If person they do bad, make una let the person they know say this thing when they do so e no good. That is why I just bring the person come outside. Now bovis na be say be name or bovis wa bovis bubuwa. No good now. Dora, call your people. Make them repair their character. That name where they for na head before say. If you see Asian person, make you kill Asian. You see Asian person see snake, make you kill Asian first before you go kill snake. That bad name make una try to remove and come off on her head. Una try to remove and say no, this thing not be so we be oh. Maybe now the action of our forefather that time now they talk am. Now make them talk say Asian be like that. Now the present Asian, the new generation Asian have changed. Make una change. And now if they break una they go church. Una not be una brother's keeper. Una not love una neighbor as una self. Why una come say una be Christian? That is why they deny Christian. I don't want my person come tell me say I be Christian. I no want, because I see the way una wan say be Christian, the way una dey behave. Meanwhile, I no be Christian, I no dey behave like that. Na Christian na dey fear say dem wan kill am. Hey, this one wan kill am o, this one wan kill am o. You say you know God, you know God, you see dey fear say one person go come do you something. Somebody like me, I no dey fear anything, I no fear anybody, because I no plan evil against person, so I no go see things say that another person go come harm me. Una so una be Christian. I believe in God, blood of Jesus. Jesus, I'm covered with. If you know you are covered with the blood of Jesus, why are you afraid? Eh? Now so this church where they call when na lost choosing. If any lost choosing, then and then do and pass. In deeper life, see they do the same thing. They can cash finish. Those lost choosing. If you be member of lost choosing, you all na there for the same house, now go be friend, now go be sister. If one love choosing dey for a midst of 100 people, all the 99 people wey dey there, na dem be winch for im eye. Na so e go dey do, go dey do like this, dey do like this. Make dem know this people na winch o, this one and this one, make dem no harm am. Na only him go prove say na only him pure. The rest 99 people dey be evil. Why Christian, why una dey behave like that? Na so una dey go church, una heart no clean. Person wey heart no clean, na him dey fear. Like me, my heart clean, I no fear anything. I no dey do bad for person, I no even think say somebody go do me bad. If you do me bad, as far as I no do you bad, that bad when you dey plan, when you want to, you go use your head take carry am. Na be my own. See person wey say dey go church now, you be Christian. You see person, you go lock person outside with pikin for outside for this cold. You lock am outside. You no even feel say this pikin dem only born am. When you even say okay, make I come see this pikin, oh yeah, open door for am. Because of this pikin, oh, person go know say you still get soft heart. You no do like that. Na case come reach a court now, when case wan enter court, na don dey for police hand, and e must enter court. Court must judge it, whether na you right or na the woman right wrong, o court must judge am.
Okay.
And now you come dey say I beg for wetin? Beg zebi.
Okay.
And you go watch this video, maybe one day you go see me. I don't tolerate nonsense. You understand? Because this kind of thing when you do to me, I no fit do am. I no fit do am to human being. I no fit do am. Whether na Benin, whether na another tribe, I no fit do am. You understand? So I just say make I just come tell you now this thing. So no problem. I'll say come on, maybe 1 or 2 hours time. May I come talk to Coco Mama. Coco Mama, no, you offend, you disappoint me. I don't want to talk Coco Mama. Now later I'll come for that one. As Coco Mama take disappoint me, I will talk am later. I don't believe say Coco Mama go fit do like that. May I always reserve that one later. May I relax. Do this. Because I no quick sleep yesterday. I just dey busy, just dey work. Till 9 o'clock yesterday. I no fit sleep. Sleep just dey my eye. Whether I fit sleep now, I mean I no sabi sleep afternoon sleep. Oh God. I just overlabor myself yesterday. If not, if I no do am that night, I no fit finish am today. And tomorrow is Monday. God. So my people, now bye bye later.